Hello everyone. Today again we are going to discuss the topic numbers, and we are going to discuss the fourth worksheet. Now this one is question number 24. Complete this statement. A prime number between 90 and 100. Now we know that prime number will be 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97 and 98. So we can eliminate the even numbers because these are not the prime numbers. So we can eliminate these numbers. Okay, now we eliminate the even numbers. Now we can see that these are the numbers. They are in the table of 3. This one is in the table of 5. This one is in the table of 2. This one is in the table of 3. Now we have two prime numbers. The one is 91 and the other one is 97. So we can write that 97 will be the final answer. This will be the final answer. Or 91 is also the correct answer. Let's move to the 25. From the list of numbers, write down on the prime numbers. So prime number, this one is not the prime number. This one is not the prime. Yes, 29 is the prime number. 91 is also the prime. So 29 is the prime number. So we can write as this will be the prime number. Let's move to the next question. Question number 26. Work out the lowest LCM of 24 and 20 and 54. So we can see that 24 and 54. So we can take the LCM like 2, 12, and then 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are, and then we can use the table of 3. This will be 4s are and 3 9s are. Then we can take the table of 2. Then we can take the table of 2 again. Then 3 and then 3 again. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, then multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Now if you multiply these numbers, this will be 6, the product of these two will be 4, the product of these two will be 9. So 6 4 is 24 into 9. So 24 into 9, this will be equals to 216. This will be the final answer. Let's move to the next one. Write down the reciprocal of this. So reciprocal of this will be 3 by 2, or we can write 3 divided by 2. This will be equals to 1.5. So 1.5. Let's move to the next question. Question number 29. So question number 28. Write down an irrational number n where between 31 and 32. So we can use the calculator that the perfect square between these two will be like square root of 144 will be equals to 12. Square root of 1000 will be equals to 31.6. So as we can see, 1000 is not a perfect square. So that is why we can see that 31.6 will be the irrational number. So we can write square root of 1000 will be the final answer, because any number under the root will be the irrational number if it is not a perfect square. Write down all the factors of 42. So 42, so 2, and then 3, not 4, 5, not 6, no, yes 6, and then 7, then 8, no, and then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, yes 14, no 14 is not the factor, 15, 16. So we will have we can 42 divided by 3, 42 divided by 3. So this will be 14. Yes, 14 is a factor. And then we will have after 42, this will be 21, and then we will have 42. So this will be the final answer. Now let's move to the question number 30. From the list of number, write down a cube number. So we can see that in this number, in this list, 125 is an irrational, is a cube number, because 5 power 3 will be equals to 125. So that is why this is a cube number. Let's move to the question number 31. From the list, write down an irrational number. So we can see that this is a rational number, this one is a rational number. So we can write square root of 7 as the irrational number, because any number under the root will be called an irrational number if it is not a perfect square. Let's move to the question number 32. That is the reciprocal of 0.2. So reciprocal of 0.2 will be 1 divided by 0.2. So 1 divided by 0.2, this will be equals to 5. So 5 will be the final answer. Let's move to the question number 33. Question number 33. The times on two clocks are regularly checked. One clock is checked every 6 days and the other clock is checked every 8 days. Both clocks are checked on 1st January 2021. Find the number of days during 2021 when both clocks will be checked on the same day. Okay, now there are 365 days. So there are 365 days, but this is a very important information. We need to consider this one, that the first check on both clocks were made during the on 1st January 2021, and we need to check the first clock 6 days, and then second clock, the other clock 8 days. So we need to find the LCM of these two. So LCM will be 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, then 3 1s are, and then again we can directly find out the LCM. So LCM is 2 into 3 into 4. So this will be 6 into 4 means 24. So we have total 365 days. So 365 days divided by 24. So this will be 365 divided by 24. So this will be equals to 15.2. So if we round it off, so this will be 15.2. So if we round it off, approximately this will be equals to 15. Now we will have 15 checks, but the important thing is that the first check was made on the 1st January. It was done on the 1st January. So the final answer will be 15 plus 1, this will be equals to 16. So this will be the final answer. This is a very important question, and we need to clearly understand the question. We need to read the question twice for the understanding of the question during the exam. That is it for today. Tomorrow we will discuss the next concept, the remaining worksheet related to the numbers. If you have any question, you can ask it in the comment section. Thank you.